Hi, this website academy.brandwebhub. This website I created for your studies. As of now, I have loaded some questionnaires for you. You have two types of registration. One is instructor and other one is a student. So you can use the menu over here. So using menu, you can go to the dashboard, your dashboard, and then again you can see all the courses, but before that you need to register first. So I'm clicking on the student registration in the menu, or otherwise over here you can click the student registration and you can register as a student. So you need to provide your actual first name, last name and the username also. So don't put dummy data, so you can use your first name, last name and then username. For email, you can use your father or mother email, parents email, and then again password. You can write the password and then click register. I gave my first name, last name, username, email, password. So password confirmation should be repeated the same thing what you write into the password, and this password you need to remember because when you are entering again and again, so you need to use the same username and the password. So click register to register into the platform. Now you will be directed into the dashboard where you can see the information, the courses you are following, the quizzes you attempt and all that. So but now you don't have anything because you don't enroll for anything. So what you can do now, while you have signed in, you can go to the courses, all courses in the menu. So here you can choose whatever the preferred course that you want to follow. So this is according to the grade. You have grade 6, grade 7, grade 5, so whatever. You can just click on this whatever the preferred one and go through that. So I click Digital Teens grade 6. Now you can see what are the content that you have, right? So the course content you have over here: learning the basic of computer, creating document, getting online, working with numbers, presenting your ideas. So these are the 5 sections. Each section you have questionnaires. Each section you have questionnaires. Right. So what you need to do, you need to enroll to this course first, but just try to read the requirement and be ready with it. If you are ready to go, so just click enroll for courses. You can go to the course where you can do the questionnaires. Okay, so again you can choose either if you have any, if I uploaded any YouTube videos, so you can refer that, but questionnaires, so therefore just either you can click start learning or just click on each section where you need to do the questions. Right, now let's say I want to do the questions of learning the basic of computer, so I click on that. Right, so these are the questionnaires. So there is a little bit saying about, so learning the basic of the computer, you have 16 questions and 40 minutes for you to answer, and then total attempt is now 1 time you have, so this is the only time that you can do, so therefore carefully, and the passing grade is it should be more than 80%. So you will get answers after writing the exam. So this is how you can do. If you want to do this, the first one, So you can start with that, or otherwise if you want to do it with creating document, you can go to that as well. But anyway, I'm starting with the learning basic of the computer. So just click start quiz. Right. So now time started. Now you can see the time remaining for you. Right. So you have 16 questions. All questions are MCQs. And then you need to read it, read the question, and find the answer from here. And click submit and next. So each and every question you have marks, and that is being marked over here, and you have total attempts and then time remaining. So likewise you can do all these questions and submit and next. Then automatically you will get the answers, correct answers, as well you will get the marks as well. Go to the dashboard to see your progress. Now you have enrolled courses 1, active courses 1. So still you haven't completed. That's why it is saying that 33% is completed. So if you want to do it again in the another time, so you can go to logout, but at a time you need to complete one section. So click logout to log out from the platform. Okay, done. So this is how you can use the platform